All right, let's talk about your final Be the Change Project presentations. I'm so excited for them. You should have picked this paper up at the door on your way in. It is available on Canvas as well if you are online only, but otherwise, if you are in class, you need a hard copy because I want you to put your name on it in the class period so that the day that you present, you'll hand me this and I don't have to fill it out for everyone. So have a hard copy to take a look at all of the requirements. So if you go to Canvas and click on Be the Change, final presentation, submit slides here. It's got everything that you're required to do. So I've got instructions and the rubric, like I said, is available here. Look at your feedback from the last presentation so that you can improve upon what you've done. Please watch your reflection video that you did where you talked about what it is that you were going to do better this time. So that you can improve on those things you said you wanted to improve on. And then you'll tell us what you've done from January until now. Not the whole year. You're not going to have time. I promised you guys more time. I don't have more time to give you. So I'm afraid you still get the 3 to 5 minutes that you had for your mid-year. So do the best that you can. Try and time yourself so that you can do it within your 3 to 5 minutes. Key things to talk about or have, you need to talk about how you've made a positive difference each month, what you did, and then have documentation. The more pictures and videos, the better. It makes it more interesting for us. You'll submit your presentation slides on Canvas right here. First, and then on the day that you are supposed to present, you will share your slides with me. Please don't do it before then because then it makes it hard for me to find you and I just need them all lined up and ready to go. So on the day that you present, you'll share with me at lauren.lewis@csddocs.org. Your presentation order is listed here. It's also on the front whiteboard so you can take a look and see when you are presenting. For the most part, it is Z to A. If you're in a group, it's you go whenever whoever has the closest last name to Z would have gone. So heads up about that, okay? Now I'm gonna go through the rubric quickly and talk to you about the requirements. So again, 3 to 5 minutes. You have 3 minutes minimum that you need to be speaking. You can speak for the whole time, that's fine, but you must be speaking for 3 minutes. It's not like you can just put on a video of you doing something and we watch the video for the whole time. You should it needs to contain all elements of the speech. You only need 2 quotes this time. So for everyone all around, 2 quotes. If you want more than that, you're welcome to have more than that, but at least 2 quotes. You need to have it memorized. You can have note cards, remember, but you can't have like a full sheet of paper in front of you. You can't be reading off of a phone or anything like that. So note cards only. Dress professionally or purposefully. So if you watch my example video that I linked on here as well, I chose this time to dress purposefully. So this is a Hawaiian shirt that I got that represents the trip that I'm on right now. Not sorry still. You need to have visual aids. The slides do not count as the visual aid. I'm talking pictures and videos within your slides that show what you did for your project. You will have to wear the microphone again. We'll wipe it down just like we did last time, but just mentally prepare yourself for wearing the microphone. And then someone in the class will need to record you giving your TED Talk so that you can upload it to your website to get that final score for your website. Remember, if you have chosen to present with a partner or group members, your time doubles, triples, quadruples, whatever it is. So if you're presenting with a partner, you guys need to present for 6 to 10 minutes, not 3 to 5, right? And add on time for each additional person who is in your group. You also need to have additional quotes. So each person is still responsible for having 2 quotes for themselves and then 2 more quotes for their partner or whoever, and however many quotes that means that you have to have. I know we've got one big group in there that had like 16 quotes on a slide. So just keep that in mind. Okay. The rubric is on the back. Please pay attention to that. If you don't know how to dress purposefully, please make sure to dress professionally. I was more lax at mid-year than I'm going to be this time. So you need to dress professionally. You need to look nice. Sweatpants and what you wear on the everyday is not going to cut it for me. If you feel like wearing a shirt that has a collar on it, even though it's a sports shirt, is like just really out of the way for you, I still need you to do your best to try to take it one step above that, okay? So dress up nicely. And I think that's all that I have for you. You can email me questions and I will answer my emails as soon as I can. But we start these presentations the day that I am back in class. And so there just is no leeway. Slides are due on Canvas for everyone, regardless of what day you are presenting. So make sure you get those submitted. Okay, I'm excited. Thanks, guys.